Hi, it's Bayin here. Recently I had a new idea about a diorama, and I wonder how it looks like in 3D. It's not bad. Childhood is all about imagination and colorful dreams. And there's always someone who's determined to preserve and protect all that goodness quietly. The old man in the story was a retired World War II pilot. He's the greatest hero in the eyes of his grandchildren, who loved the fighter sled built by their grandpa. And no matter how cold it is outside, they always had a good time flying around the farm. This diorama is inspired by my own grandpa. Though he was not a pilot, he used to make me a lot of things when I was a kid, like toys and of course sled, and all those memories we spent together. It means a lot to me. So when I'm building this model, I wish to make every element as detailed as possible, from cutting each wood strip for the barn, to reproducing the fading texture of the mounted roof, from adding extra details to the engine, to painting the corrosion of the old tractor, from resculpting the character's poster and clothes, to the step-by-step construction of the fighter sled. And all these elements have to work in sync. So in terms of the layout itself, I'm trying to create a big triangle like this. And also, for the storytelling part, I have to form two vision lines. One is between the girl and the boy, and also the dog and the boy. So that will be more engaging and interesting. In addition, I spent a lot of time on some tiny details, which are often very effective on improving the overall quality of the diorama. And all these additions will gradually outline the way they are supposed to be. When you lay down the last stroke, it feels like writing this memory into a special time capsule, which can not only be recalled, but also touched. And I think this is also one of the main driving forces for the hobby. Of course, our beloved ones could not stay with us forever, but all those great moments and dreams we shared together will just like snowflakes that fell to the ground. They accumulate and melt, becoming ice and water, and they will never separate again. Hope you liked the new episode. I really hope it can show something a little bit more than the model or the bare techniques itself, if that makes sense. But by all means, if you're interested, you can always find the step-by-step tutorial on my Patreon page, link in the description. In the next episode, I might do you another 1:6 scale classic tank. Stay tuned for that. Like if you like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye out.